It's all up in my teeth. Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on those post notifications to know when I upload next. And today, instead of a tutorial, we will be doing a review. I recently did a Shop Miss A haul. If you haven't seen that video yet, please go watch it. I'll put the link in the description below. And today we will be trying out some lip stains that I got off of Shop Miss A. Now these are two different brands, I think, because they were sold out and I didn't want to get the same colors, so I had to go and get two different brands. I'll be telling y'all like the colors I'm using and that kind of stuff when I get onto the lips. Right now I'm just using a Kylie Jenner Lippy with some glitter from Storm Cosmetics. So I hurried up and did this like eye look to try to match the colors that I bought. But we'll see how that goes. Yeah, this is from Starry and this is from Amuse. I can always try different brands if y'all want to see that. You can always show me the link of what you want me to buy and I'll test them out for you guys. So yeah, so now I'm just going to wipe off the lipstick I have now and we'll get right into the video. Okay, so now that I wiped away all my lipstick using a makeup wipe from EYESHADOW, I'll be going in my highlight from Storm Cosmetics in Glow Like Lisa. And I'll just be highlighting my upper lip a little bit. Put back my highlight that I pretty much wiped away. Now we'll be getting into the review and try on. So I want to try to go with the lightest shade first, but I don't know which one's lighter. Okay, so I have Wildberry, I have Vibrant Red, I have Tangey Stain, and Deep Passion Stain. So I think I'm gonna go with Tangey Stain because it sounds like it'd be an orange. So, and like I have not opened these at all, so taking off the wrapper. Okay, ooh, it's already like coming out. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I guess we're just gonna go straight onto it. Oh. God, what do I do? It's like overfilling. I'm not even squeezing it. Oh. I won't lie, it kind of smells like paint. And I don't know how fast this dries, so this is impossible to work with. God, I cannot get this all the way on my lip. I don't know the instructions for this either, so I don't know how long I have to like keep this on. Does it fully dry? I think I did the best I can. Yeah, it doesn't tell you how long you need to wait until you take it off. Try not to touch my lips together. And this is 0.250 ounces if you're wondering. I don't know when I'm supposed to take it off. But this is the one I'm using. Excuse my broken nail. Oh yeah. Nothing is coming off, so I feel like it's a good time to rip it. Kind of zoom in a little bit. Nope, it's still wet. But can I get up? Taking my nail and just like digging under. Oh, isn't that wonderful? God, this is very hard to get off. That was actually kind of satisfying. But I can see a little tint that it did to my lips. It kind of made it definitely more pink from my original lip color. I can't seem to get it off. Maybe if I can try to use this again then. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell that it stained my lips. Hopefully that was the lightest shade that I had. If not, we're gonna probably be going backwards and that's gonna be bad. But it's okay. Hopefully we can make it through. But you can definitely see a difference from what it was before. Yeah. I actually really like these. I've always liked lip tints, but I've never tried these before. I've always seen videos and I've always wanted to try it. And now I have. So yeah, that one was Tangey Stain. And next, I think Deep Passion Stain sounds like it's going to be like a dark purple. So I don't want to do that one yet. This is a Vibrant Red and wildberry. Should I open them and see? I might open them, but the stain might not be the same color. Even when I open them. Why is this a Vibrant Red but it's in purple? And this one says Wildberry and it's like in a red container. Does that make sense? No? Just me? God, these wrappers. Okay, so I'm gonna open Vibrant Red. Oh god, yeah, that's a very dark. And I'm gonna open Wildberry. That is also very dark. And I'm gonna open Deep Passion Stain. Very dark. Maybe just like slow rising. It just constantly keeps coming out. I'm not even pushing anything. Okay, so God, what do I do? I guess I'm gonna go with Vibrant Red because it's red. And these are really, really hot. It's already like coming out of the package. Okay. Oh my god. I don't lie, guys. These kind of have a burning sensation. It might just be my lips, but they do burn. Okay, hopefully that'll do it. It's so hard to try to get like the outline of your lips with this. I would definitely need to get a brush for this. Probably like a paintbrush. I'm messing up my lips. I should probably like count how long this dries. I'll do that next time.
2 hours later. 1 eternity later.
It's currently 6:10. So this seems almost dry. Just a little stuff came off. I'm really hoping that this is really vibrant red like it said it was gonna be. So, okay, we're gonna try to do an attempt to pull this off. Last time it looks like I'm bleeding. So I'm just lifting it up with my nail. So I can just yank it off. Okay, that one's not coming off, so I might have to use my little makeup wipe. Oh boy. a vibrant red, it's more like a vibrant pink. Like a hot kind of pink. Alright. So this one is the vibrant red from Starry. On to the next color. So hopefully my lips are not stained like this for like a whole week. I'm just kidding. Probably won't last that long. I will give you an update on how long it did last though. Okay, don't lick your mouth when you have these on. I got some of my teeth. Yay! I don't know if it's the wipes that I used or the lip stuff, the lip stain, but chemicals. Don't do what I did. Regret it so much. So next I will be doing Deep Passion or Wildberry. Let's like open these real quick. Yeah, definitely Wildberry. We're gonna go Wildberry. So this is Wildberry by Starry. And you see that? And we're just gonna go on. Okay, this one's more better than the other ones. Okay, this one burns. Oh god. This one actually smells like wine to me. It smells really good, but it still burns like the other ones. Okay, so that's this one. This is Wildberry. Starry. And now we just wait till it dries. Okay guys, so I think this one is dry. Okay, I know this one's not dry. I'm gonna go on with this one. Little makeup wipe. I do feel like these are kind of like smudge proof because the makeup wipe is taking it off, but the stain isn't coming off. So I think these do work pretty well. So I don't think this is very different from Vibrant Red. It's still a very pretty color, I have to say. Very pretty. Like, that's the inside of my lip. So you can see where it stained it. But yeah. So this would be very nice to do like a cream with it, which I am planning to do in the future. It's like, look at my hands. So very messy. That was Wildberry from Starry. Okay, so next is Deep Passion Stain from Amuse. This will be our last one for this review from Shop Miss A, and they're only $1, guys. So how wonderful is that? So this is how it looks. And let's go. Okay guys, so this one's not really burning me. Okay guys, we're back, and it definitely should be dry right now because it's been 8 minutes. And I'm just gonna take it off. Just get a makeup wipe. So that is all of the swatches and stuff we'll be doing today from Shop Miss A, and I hope y'all really liked this. This was actually really fun for me. It's the first time I've actually done this type of thing before, and I really would like to do more reviews with y'all. So if you want more, please give this video a like, subscribe, hit that post notification button if you have not already, and I just dropped them. And I'll see you in the next video, cuties. Bye. If you haven't gone to see that, please going in with my highlight from I'll be getting into the look. Okay, oh, it's dropping. I don't know the rules for this. Rules. Next.
What the fuck?
Girl, I got some on my nose. This is actually really fun. This was actually. I'm sorry.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me?